Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the Diffle puzzle. This is Wordle, but we don't know how long the word is, which adds an interesting twist. So I like to start with something that tests all of the vowels in one go, so facetious usually. And that's given us 4 letters. You can see the E and the I are green, so that means they appear in the word in that order. The A and the S are yellow, so they appear in the word, but the A is not before the E, and the S is not after the I. So let's try seaside. That definitely could be a possibility. I don't really like duplicating the letters, but when we've got A's, E's, I's and S's, there are so many options because they're such common letters. And this, of course, was the first thing I thought of. That's why I'm going for it. And it's not really helped. At least we know that the S is now between the E and the I. But the S and the I are not joined together, so that means they're not consecutive in the word. And we also don't have a duplicated S or E, because we've got grey versions of both of those. So in short, we haven't really learnt a lot from that. So basically the pattern now is we've got some letters before the E, or maybe the E is the first letter. Then we've got an S. And then I don't even know whether the A is before or after the I yet. So it could be something like that, because I like the look of an AL ending. It can't be ickle, but it could just be an IAL, like essential. Can't quite be essential, of course, because we can't duplicate the S or the E. But it feels like it could be something along those lines. We need to use the N, I suppose, as well. I suppose I could have, possibly should have, tried an ing ending at some point before now. Ensnaring. Probably not likely to be correct, but at least it will test some other good letters. Oh, it's not remotely close. What is going on? We've got an N, but only one. No R's or G's. And the E is not the first letter because it's still a circle. Basically, if I put the E in first, and it was the first letter, the shape would be slightly different. So we've got something, E-S-A-N-I, something. And of course we still could have other letters in the middle of those. But what is going to come after the I? I suppose actually the I is yellow, so I don't know if that means it's after the N or it could mean it's before the A. Maybe that's more likely. Thespian, something like that, but we've ruled out the T. But it looks really promising. An IAN ending is definitely plausible. But it can't be restain. Oh, that would be an AI, not an IA anyway. Interesting. It could be this, if I spell it right. Oh, I still cannot spell. Wow. That's got just 7 really common letters in, but it took me quite a while to work out what that was. But eventually we got there, and that is Diffle in 4. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.